In today's video, let's have some back to school fun by engraving pencils using the XTool F1 laser. Let's get to it. Well, it's August, and in my household, that means it's back to school time. So let's grab some of these Ticonderoga pencils, walk through the settings that we're going to use, and then leverage a jig to do 5 pencils at a time. Now for this jig, I just used some scrap wood I had laying around and these 10mm dowels. These are just glued to this 6mm piece of wood, and the spacing between is the exact distance we need for these pencils. And with these pencils, that distance is roughly 7mm, so these Ticonderoga pencils are about 7mm in diameter. So with the jig made and everything measured out, let's go ahead and replicate that within XTool Creative Space. So what we have here is basically each one of these rectangles represents the wooden dowels, those 10mm wooden dowels, and then the spacing in between each one is just enough so those pencils will slide in between those dowels. The red line is basically just my marking point. I don't want any engraving to happen any farther to the left of that red line. And then I dropped in the text where the pencils are going to be. And in this case, they'll all be the same name or same text as we're doing this. Now for my base settings, I selected 3mm pine plywood, and it turns out that these settings work perfectly. So what we have here is the power set to 70% and the speed set to 200mm per second. And with our settings in place, let's go ahead and do a quick framing operation to ensure that our names line up exactly where they need to go on the pencils. And at first glance with this rectangular frame, it looks like it's dead on. So let's go ahead and get this processed so that we can send it over to the laser. And here we see just kind of what the project will look like as it goes through the process. Let's do a quick play-by-play and make sure we're good. And now let's go ahead and start the burn. So with this job sent over to the laser, we go ahead and put the shield down to protect our eyes. And now we can go ahead and just press the little button on the side of the laser and the job will start. Again, we are burning at 200mm per second, so it goes pretty quick. This is in real time, 1x speed. And just like the process estimate said, 15 seconds and all 5 of these pencils are done. And here's what it looks like, kind of a close-up of these 5 pencils. Again, it came in really good first try with those settings. So if you're using this type of pencil, the settings I put on the screen will work great. Here's another view of a different line of text we put on here. And again, nice and crisp. The edges are sharp and it looks great. Now, one thing I'll note, if I was doing more pencils than just a few for my kids, I'd make a jig that probably holds anywhere from 10 to 12 at a time. But this was just kind of a quick little impromptu project and it turned out great. So they can start school with a few pencils with their names on them. And just a quick note, this same jig will actually work with pens as well. I did a few pens just to test, and they came out great. Fun little project to utilize with your XTool F1 laser. And obviously other lasers will work as well, but you may have to tweak the settings a little bit based on what I showed here. So anyways, guys, that's the project. Thanks for stopping by. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments, and take care.